Welcome to the ultimate $500 million engineered masterpiece. This private estate redefines absolute billionaire luxury.
Entering the primary master bedroom, it feels like a luxury resort with layered ceilings and insane rose gold metallic accents. This ensuite bathroom is absolute billionaire status. The massive soaking tub sits perfectly beside those pristine pearl. Welcome to the grand drawing room! The custom-engineered rose gold furniture, majestic white ceilings are purely spectacular.
Behind the scenes is this hidden prep kitchen. The custom pearl white cabinetry and seamless stone counters are perfectly engineered. Hosting dinners here is next level. This formal dining space features a 30-seat solid marble table under rose gold.
Relaxing here is a billionaire dream. We have custom-engineered rose gold lounge seating surrounded by majestic white walls.
Every single piece of furniture here is custom-engineered. The solid rose gold frames perfectly complement the white surfaces.
Guests get this massive indoor spa shower experience. Massive pearl white marble slabs and engineered rose gold rainfall.
This indoor relaxation pavilion is your personal sanctuary. The majestic pearl white layered ceilings provide unmatched acoustic and visual.
Check out this incredible poolside interior deck. The pearl white floors perfectly complement those towering, pristine, opaque glass walls. This executive home office is pure power. You get commanding desk space with integrated Stark-inspired architectural luxury. This contemporary billiards and entertainment hall is unbelievable. That custom rose gold pool table is a total masterpiece. This home gym is stacked with premium equipment. The stark white walls and rose gold mirrors make workouts cinematic.
Every single room door is a custom-engineered masterpiece. The heavy rose gold mechanical handles operate with absolute perfect precision. Find inner peace in this indoor botanical Zen garden. The custom enclosed greenery contrasts beautifully with the pearl white.
Look at these stunning modern refrigerators and luxury items. Every single appliance is beautifully integrated into the pearl white walls.
Relax in this massive upstairs family lounge. The stark white acoustic walls and custom rose gold seating are perfection. This sculptural floating marble staircase is pure architectural perfection. The pristine white steps and solid rose gold rails are insane.
This mega mansion party room is insane! The massive pearl white dance floor and rose gold lighting are perfect!
The hidden service stairs are engineered for perfect efficiency. Smooth pearl white stone steps and heavy rose gold safety rails. This luxury laundry room features massive pearl white custom machines integrated flawlessly into the seamless white architectural walls. Look up at this incredible ceiling design. The massively layered architectural structures use custom warm lighting to elevate the luxury. This residential security control room is incredibly advanced. The flush-mounted screens sit perfectly inside the pristine white architecture. These structural wall decorations feature highly advanced engineering. The majestic white panels and glowing rose gold channels are absolutely breathtaking. The air conditioning system is fully integrated. The flawless pearl white vents push perfect climate control with absolute zero noise. This private sitting lounge offers ultimate peace. The flawless pearl white marble floors reflect the 3500K warm lighting perfectly.
This private butler's pantry ensures flawless service. The majestic pearl white shelving holds endless high-end luxury supplies.
This indoor service kitchen extension is built for massive events. You have endless pristine pearl white marble countertops.
Step into the ultimate private sauna and steam room. The custom warm wood and rose gold details are flawless.
Witness this stunning interior night lighting ambience. The 3500K warm glow on the pearl white surfaces is pure cinematic magic. This residential security control room is incredibly advanced. The flush-mounted screens sit perfectly inside the pristine white architecture. The staff quarters match the primary mega mansion luxury. Flawless pearl white floors and incredible warm architectural lighting throughout. Welcome to the fully enclosed indoor orchard atrium. This massive climate-controlled space brings pure luxury botanical engineering inside. This indoor terrace lounge gives you ultimate enclosed luxury. Massive opaque glass walls and heavy rose gold framing everywhere. We are reaching the end of this epic tour. The grand scale of this 75,000 square foot mansion is unmatched.